This beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch is move-in ready. You are welcomed into a spacious family room with an abundance of natural light. Enjoy fresh paint and fixtures, as well as new interior and exterior doors. You will appreciate the durability and the ease of maintenance with the new ceramic flooring in kitchen and bathrooms, and new laminate flooring. This kitchen boasts a number of updates, including new granite countertops and beautiful cabinetry with soft close drawers. You will love the addition of all new stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, including a dishwasher, electric range, microwave, and refrigerator.